So you accidentally hide the threads badge from your Instagram profile, and now you don't know that how you can get the threads badge back on your Instagram profile bio. You went to YouTube and Google for watching the tutorials that how you can get your threads badge back, but none of them actually works. Let me tell you the actual story. Instagram has not introduced any single way for unhiding the threads badge on your Instagram profile after hiding it up to the day. And once you hide your threads badge from your Instagram profile, it won't appear up again on any cost. All the tutorials that you are watching are doing it just for views and for earning money, and they are just clickbaiting. And all we can do is we can wait up to the day that Instagram developers come to know about this issue and they add an option to add the threads badge on Instagram profile again after hiding. So stop wasting your time for watching those useless tutorials. You're welcomed.